Once you pack the box, you can find all the materials to assemble the trolley.
On the first layer, you can find the spling board, link board, stem post assembly, and handrail basket. On the second layer, you can find the chassis, the installation guide under the basket, 5 casters, and accessory pack.
In the accessory pack, it contains all the tools and accessories needed to install the trolley. There are 2 Allen keys, a spanner, and a crosshead screwdriver. On the bottom row from left to right, there are the spring and plane washer and the hexagon screws to install the chassis, the hexagon screws used to install the spling board, the panhead screw used to install the handrail basket, the spring and plane washers used to install the casters, and a spare parts pack. After unpacking the box, please check whether all items in the box are complete according to the package list. To install the stem post into the chassis, ensure that the hollow on the chassis is aligned with the bolt provided on the flange at the bottom of the stem post. Take the hexagon screw, the plane washer, and the spring washer. Then tighten them upward from the center hole in the chassis with 8mm Allen key. To install the 5 casters into the chassis, you need to lock the caster first, and then fasten each one into the chassis with spring washer and plane washer. Tighten the casters with the open net spanner. To install the handrail basket, you need to adjust the position of upper flange and tighten it first. The flange must be parallel to the top spindle. Use the panhead screws to fasten the basket into the upper flange. Then adjust the position of the lower flange and align the screw holes in the lower flange with the holes in the basket. Fasten the handrail basket to the lower flange with 2 panhead screws. At last, tighten the screws in the lower flange. To install the spling board, a spindle with a line-up locking mechanism on the top of the stem post corresponding to the holes on the spling board. Use 4 hexagon screws to fasten the spling board onto the spindle.